Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to go about changing the limit reservable bandwidth on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this is the ability for the Microsoft Windows update to reserve bandwidth for high priority tasks such as Windows Update over tasks that compete for the limited resource of internet bandwidth. So you can reserve up to 20% of the bandwidth for high priority tasks, while the other 80% is always available for other tasks like internet streaming or what else you're doing in the internet. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to change the limit reservable bandwidth with the group policy editor. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? All you have to do is to click on the search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung gpedit.msc. Ayan. And next step, so i-click mo lang dito yung open. And then once na-open mo na tong local group policy editor, ang next step, so under dito sa local computer policy at dito sa computer configurations ay kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung administrative templates folder. So i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And dito sa administrative templates, and then next step, kailangan mo lang iselect dito yung network folder. So i-click mo ulit yung arrow na yan para mag-expand. And dito sa network folder, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung QoS Packet Scheduler folder. So ang gagawin natin dito is one-time click. At dito sa right side, ito yung settings. And then select mo lang dito yung tinatawag na limit reservable bandwidth. Okay, so click and double click lang. And then ma-open itong limit reservable bandwidth settings. So ang next step, so dito lang sa left side menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung enabled. And then once na enabled mo na siya, so dito naman sa kanyang options, bandwidth limit, kung ilang percent. So ilagay mo lang dito or select mo lang dito yung 80% bandwidth limit. So by default, the packet scheduler limits the system to 80% of the bandwidth of a connections, but you can use these settings to override the default. If you enable these settings, you can use the bandwidth limit box to adjust the amount of bandwidth in the system can reserve. And then once nalagay mo na dito yung 80%, and then dito sa baba ay click mo lang dito yung apply, and i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito, and then close lang natin yan. At dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to change the limit reservable bandwidth in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.